Today I'm gonna head north again. I'm gonna see if I can get some whale watching done. I'm gonna head towards Port Townsend. Yes, that'll do me. There you are. Whale watching, spot on. I was unable to go out on a boat that day, but I was able to book up to go out at 11:30 tomorrow as easy as anything. That being the case, I was still almost 3 hours from the lodge, and so I decided that today would be spent seeing what I could find to do in Port Townsend. Alright, I'm here at Fort Worden. Don't really know. I'm assuming this place is just like a regular town park, and I think there's a bit of like Navy museum as well kind of here. But this is amazing. Look, you can just go in all these places. Oh, an echo. Listen to that. Oh no. Alright, 1 second. 1 second. Here we go. Always come prepared, yeah? I hope I'm not in the start of a found footage film. It's like holes in the floor. God, that one looks like a prison cell. You seeing that? I mean, that's creepy. The hands. That's very creepy. I suppose it's angled like this so that if there was incoming fire from the sea there, it would come in and glance off here, hit something unimportant like a town. Oh look, there's a staircase there that goes right underneath it. Oh, this looks like a cool one to explore. This looks like, I think, the biggest one that I've come across yet. This battery here in particular had two 12-inch guns. Think how big like a 12-inch pizza is, all right? Well, here we go. Time for adventure. Every inch of this place has been graffitied at some point. Oh look, that's that staircase that's leading up. Yo, it's a stalagmite. Look, and they've got stalactites coming down there from the ceiling as well. You can see it dripping. Like a little cave starting to form. Oh my God, the hands, man. Look at the hands, right? Look at this. Imagine being here at night. Look at this. Even if this light's off, you've still got like a bit of natural light coming. Kind of see it there. But, oh my God, them hands are so... Look at that. Look at that. Come on, man, what is that? I mean, it's good. I like the decor. That's very spooky. Another tiny little door. I wonder what that means for. It's way too small to be used by people, right? Surely. Oh, look, there's like a lift entrance that's uncovered. Ah. It's surprisingly free. I mean, I suppose it's been sheltered forever, but... Oh my God, it's kids. Oh, I thought I heard that and I was like, what was that? I guess someone sneezed. I guess someone sneezed, but that's spooky. Wow, look at that archway. I'm liking that. Whoa, this is a bit claustrophobic. I'm not a fan of this. Oh, the size of them cables. Look at that. Oh God, it keeps going. Where are we going? We're going right into the depths of the place. That looks like some devil thing. That looks like you crawl in there and you don't come out. It's still going. Watch this be my life now. I'll come out in the back rooms. Oh, there we go. Honestly, I'm kind of relieved to see the outside. I thought I was going to be the inspiration for another indie game. Yeah, so that was Fort Worden. I thought it was good. I was impressed. Especially because you can just go and wander around all the fortifications just and have a little look around in pretty much all the parts of them. I finished up in Port Townsend and headed home, stopping along the way to admire Crescent Lake as the daylight waned and getting an early night so I was sharp for tomorrow's voyage.
All the baleen whales go down to warm water to have their babies. Don't my mouth breathing about.
This ship has 3,600 horsepower. You can get up to 3 miles.
Harbor seals galore! Oh, and there's actually a pair of deer on the island, right above the harbor seal. Deer will actually swim from island to island. We've never actually seen it, but if they do get into a really serious hunting mode,
oh, there's a few of them.
yeah.
I did notice the one with the notch in its fin there.
Yeah, so that's Holly. She's 16 years old.
Okay.
And then this is the young male. He's 14.
Mm-hmm.
And then an 8-year-old and a 2-year-old. And then mom's 39.
Oh, okay, nice.
To show you
these are the residents, and they have these really dramatic saddle patches.
They're all unique, are they?
Yeah, very unique.
Oh.
And look, this guy, right and left side is really different.
Yeah. Oh, blimey. So that's how you identify them, mainly by the miller's saddle. Thank you. The tour lasted roughly 3 hours, and to top off seeing these impressive wild animals, I must say the shop on board sells the most incredible hot chocolate, which was perfect for taking the edge off after being blasted by the chilly sea air. I drove home as the sky darkened for the last night at Claylock Lodge, and with that, my journey around the Olympic Peninsula came to an end. All that was left to do was to visit IHOP the next morning en route to Seattle to drop off my trusty chariot.
Everything went okay?
It's fantastic, yeah, she's been good as gold, look after her. Oh. It'd be interesting to know how many miles I've done actually, because I didn't take a picture when I first started. I'd be interested to know.
Oh, you went 2,740 miles.
As many as that? I was thinking more sort of like 1,600.
No, almost 3,000.
Oh my god.
So almost 3,000 miles you went. Are you from the UK?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
I'm watching a show. It's called Call the Midwife.
Okay.
And some of the people on there, they've got the really thick accent like you do.
Yeah,
so I'm like, you're on the show.
Yeah.
Got one flight to the 5th floor and buses to the airport behind the building, okay?
Lovely, that's wonderful.
Very nice meeting you.
You as well, thank you very much. See you later. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, did you hear all that? What a sweetie.